Looking for morning sickness remedies to help you get through the day? Well, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned to hear how to prepare my 3 favourite quick and easy morning sickness recipes. And let me let you in on a little secret. One includes ice cream. I hope you're already starting to feel a little better after implementing some of the strategies that I taught you in my previous video. If you missed it, now's a great time to give it a watch before I teach you about my top 3 nutritious morning sickness remedies. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Melanie McGrice and I'm a specialist pre- and postnatal dietitian. I love unpacking nutrition research and guidelines to help you give your growing bubba the best start with the power of good food. Now, without further ado, let's look at my top 3 nutritious morning sickness remedies, what they are and how they work. Remedy number 1, lemon nice cream. When you have morning sickness, cool and cold foods are generally more appealing than warm or hot foods. Because of this, my first nutritious suggestion is this delicious nice cream. Nice cream looks and tastes just like ice cream, but is much more nutritious. Basically, you take a few very ripe bananas, the riper the better, and freeze them in chunks. When frozen solid, you blend these chunks in your food processor until they transform into a creamy mock ice cream. While blending, you can also go ahead and add whichever flavours pique your fancy. My recommendation is to add some lemon juice and zest and maybe just a splash of vanilla extract. The scent of lemon has been found to help reduce nausea and the fresh citrus taste will be light on your palate. This is a great way to pack in some beneficial nutrients like potassium, vitamin C and fibre while feeling like you're eating a treat. Now, remedy number 2 is beetroot and ginger juice. Sticking to our cool theme, the next nutritious remedy on the list is beetroot juice laced with fresh ginger. Ginger is well known for reducing nausea. In fact, some health authorities recommend that you take up to 1,000 milligrams of ginger powder split into 4 doses throughout the day. Adding some fresh ginger to your drinks, meals and snacks will also help. I love this specific juice because not only is it tasty and nausea busting, but beetroots are also packed with beneficial nutrients, making this more than a remedy. Some research has shown that the nitrates in beetroot juice can help lower blood pressure in pregnancy. Basically, the nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, which prompts blood vessels to widen, helping to relieve blood pressure, which can be very dangerous to both mum and bub. Just don't get a fright if after drinking this juice you notice some red colouring after using the loo. It's completely normal and harmless as it's just the leftover pigment. Last but not least, remedy number 3, protein bliss balls. Small frequent meals are the best to keep nausea and hunger at bay during pregnancy. Ironically, even though most women can't stomach certain proteins like animal proteins when struggling with morning sickness, protein-rich meals and snacks have been found to help reduce nausea. Sometimes we don't have time to create something elaborate, and that's where these handy bite-sized protein balls come in. Combine equal amounts of natural peanut butter with milk powder, both of which are a great source of protein, with a little bit of pasteurized honey, a pinch of salt and some vanilla essence, and mix to combine. Keep these little bliss balls in an airtight container in the fridge and then pop a few into your lunchbox for an impromptu snack. If you found these remedies useful, you'll absolutely love our morning sickness toolkit. This is a specially created practical resource for our mums who are struggling with morning sickness. You don't have to struggle on your own. We've collated the best information out there. So all you got to do is pop on over to melaniemcgrice.com/shop to get your toolkit now. And also remember to subscribe to this channel because I have one more morning sickness video for you where I'll be taking you through what to eat in a day, not only to nourish you and your growing bub, but also to keep nausea at bay. See you soon. So I might just do this last sentence again. And also remember to eat in a day. Sorry.